Okay, this video is on a 2006 Nissan Sentra 2.5 liter Spec V and a motor that cranks but won't start after you get a new key. The key has a chip inside. You need to keep your old key top half where the responder is inside. Then on the new key you have to take out the responder by prying open the side and removing the small piece of plastic inside. Then when you want to start your vehicle, you have to use the new key with the old key next to it to start the car. Otherwise you have to tow it down to Nissan and have to pay $75 to reprogram it. Hope this helps. Aloha.